Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NCLH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's very nice movement, certainly some updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do here is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line. Sure, that level still pertains. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going forward, 1625, one of the newest areas of support, and what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay up above 1625, that would be great. But it's not like if the price falls below that level, that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, staying above that level would definitely be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back, though, and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 1625 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price does stay above that level, then that implies that overall the charts fully own the movement. Now, as far as areas of resistance, everybody and their brother's uncle is going to be watching this level going forward. Right up here at basically 1785. That's just where the party got rejected from earlier on. And the good news is the price has recovered very nicely back up to that point. So like I said, you're going to have long shorts, everybody in between watching that level. So let's see if the price can get the break above 1785 or not. But all in all, big picture perspective, the trend remains very, very solid. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.